Hi friends, today we're going to do a class called Easy Twisting. I'm going to take you through some really gentle twisting postures so that you can release any tension from your spine and feel great. So when you're ready, meet me on your yoga mat. Today we're going to begin lying down on our backs. Once you find yourself in a comfortable position lying down on your back, I want you to bend both of your knees so that your feet are planted on the earth. From here, cactus your arms. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist your legs over to the left side, allowing them to fall to the earth. We're just beginning with a really gentle twist today. And while you're resting here, bring awareness to your breath. Notice the energy in your body. Do you feel tired? Do you feel stressed? Do you feel good? Just bring awareness and know how your body is as you show up to your practice. Very softly inhale your legs back to center and exhale, drop your knees over to the right side. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, through your mouth, sigh it out. Take another deep breath in, filling up your lungs and the base of your belly with air. And exhale, sigh it out. Just continue your breath like that. Try to add 1 second to every inhale and every exhale as you just slowly make your breath a little longer and a little bit longer. And with whatever place you are as you show up, wherever your energy is at, just bring yourself here to the present moment, deep into this twist, just chilling. You can relax here. You can breathe here. On your next inhale, lift your knees back up to center. Exhale, hug your knees into your chest, giving your legs a squeeze. And then wrap both of your arms around your right knee and send your left leg out long. Flex your left foot, reaching your foot away from you. And then exhale, supine twist. Draw your right knee across to the left side of your body, goalpost your right arm. If you'd like to make the twist a little bit deeper, you can take your left hand to the top of your right knee, and you'll just notice that that little bit of extra tension really makes a difference. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Very gently inhale back to center, hugging your knees into your chest to neutralize your spine. And then wrap both of your arms around your left knee and send your right leg out long, flexing your right foot. Take a deep inhale. And exhale, supine twist, glide your left leg across to the right side of your body, goalpost your left arm. Again, you have the option to place your right hand on top of your left knee, just to add a little bit of extra assistance here. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale. Exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale. And exhale. On your next inhale, come back to center and exhale as you hug your knees into your chest, giving your legs a squeeze. And then from here, you have the option to rock and roll up to a seated position, or you can roll onto your side in the fetal position and then meet me in a seat. Once you come to a seated position, generally you can take easy pose. If that doesn't feel good on your knees, you can take any other seated position here. Inhale your arms up above your head, and exhale, seated twist. Draw your hands down, resting your left hand on your right knee and your right hand behind your tailbone with your fingers pointing away from you. Inhale, sit up a little bit taller, and exhale, twist. Inhale, sit up taller. Exhale, twist. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, unwind, come back to center with your biceps up above your ears. And exhale, seated twist to the left. Drop your right hand onto your left knee and your left hand behind your tailbone with your fingers pointing away from you. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. And exhale, twist. Inhale, sit up a little bit taller. Exhale, twist. One more round of breath. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, unwind, come back to center. Bring your biceps up above your ears. And then exhale, plant your palms. If you can from here, you can press yourself up to tabletop. Otherwise, make your way to tabletop in whatever way is most comfortable for you. Once you're in tabletop with your shoulders stacked over your wrist and your hips over your knees, inhale your right arm up high to the sky. Exhale here. Inhale, reach a little bit deeper. And exhale, thread the needle. Draw your right arm under and through your left, bringing your right ear down to your mat. From here, you have the option to extend your left arm up above your head, or you can wrap your left arm around your back for a half bind. Take whatever variation of this posture feels best for you. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale. Exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale, plant your left palm on the earth and reach your right arm up high to the sky. And then plant your right hand down. From here, inhale your left arm up high to the sky. Stay here for your exhale. Inhale, reach just a little bit deeper. And exhale, thread the needle. Bring your left arm under and through your right arm, bringing your left ear down to the mat. Take whatever arm variation that you did on the other side to honor symmetry in your body. Once you find what works for you, take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale. Exhale. One more round of breath. Inhale. And exhale, plant your right palm. Lift your left arm up high to the sky. And exhale, tabletop pose. Walk your hands up one step. Inhale, tuck your toes. And exhale, downward facing dog. Send your hips up and back behind you. Press down through your hands to send your chest toward your thighs. Allow your head and neck to hang heavy. Option to bend and straighten one leg at a time here if that feels good for you. Whatever variation feels best. If holding still is what feels best in your body, then just hold still. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale, gaze forward, and exhale, tippy toe your feet to the top of your mat, bringing your feet to hip-width distance apart. Bend your knees so that your chest can rest on your thighs, and let your head and neck hang heavy. Take a deep breath in, and a deep exhale. Inhale, look to your hands, And exhale, center your left hand in front of both your feet. Inhale your right arm up high to the sky. Now here, for me, I'm bending my left knee and straightening my right leg because that's what feels best for me. You can have both knees bent. Play around with the variation and see what feels best in your body. Inhale. Exhale, twist a little deeper. One more inhale. Exhale, fold down. Inhale, look to your hands. Exhale, center your right hand in front of your feet. And inhale your left arm up high to the sky. Find the variation that works for your knees. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist. Inhale. And exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, plant your palm. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Inhale, step your feet back to high plank. And exhale, downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, inhale your right leg high. And exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms. Drop down to your back knee. Untuck your back toes. And inhale, low lunge twist. Reach your right arm up high to the sky. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, twist just a little bit deeper. Inhale. Exhale here. One more inhale. And exhale, plant your palm down. Inhale, kneeling crescent. Lift both biceps up by your ears. And exhale, vertical twist. Drop your right arm down and back, opening up your body towards the right side of your yoga mat. Take a deep inhale, sit up nice and tall. Exhale, twist just a little bit deeper. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale, kneeling crescent. Biceps come up by your ears. Exhale, half splits pose. Plant your palms and very gently send your hips back so that your toes flex up to the sky. Take a deep breath in and a deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale, sink a little deeper towards your right leg. And inhale, kneeling crescent. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, tuck your back toe, lift your knee up off the mat. And exhale your right foot back for downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, inhale your left leg high. Exhale, low lunge. Step your foot through between your palms. Drop down your back knee, untuck your back toe. Inhale, low lunge twist. Lift your left arm up high to the sky. Exhale here. Inhale, reach a little bit deeper. And exhale, twist a little bit deeper. Inhale. And exhale, low lunge. Inhale, kneeling crescent, biceps lift up by your ears. And exhale, vertical twist to the left. Drop your left arm down and back, opening up your side body to the left side of your yoga mat. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. One more round of breath. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, kneeling crescent. And exhale, half splits. Plant your palms onto the ground. Send your hips back so that your left toes flex up towards the sky. Take a deep breath in. And a deep exhale. Inhale. And exhale, sink towards your left leg. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, kneeling crescent. Exhale, plant your palms. Inhale, tuck your back toe, lift your knee up off the mat. And exhale, downward facing dog. Send your hips up and back behind you. Take just a moment to pedal out your down dog. And then bring yourself to stillness and come on down to your knees. Great job flowing through the easy twisting today. I hope that your spine's feeling a little bit juicier, a little bit looser. Thanks so much for flowing with me, yogis. Namaste.